I could eat this whole thing by myself. Ready? Set.
Christmas tree.
Yeah, are you excited? Okay, what colors do we want to start with? Red, blue, green? What do you want to start with?
Red.
Red? Okay, we'll do red first. Ready, set, go. On the first ornament. Nice. One down, whole tree to go. Good job. Does your back hurt already? Show me your bag.
I'm just gonna stick all the ornaments on one branch.
Okay. Cute. Get out of my shot.
I thought I was the shot.
No, never. Literally, like, what even are you?
What?
We're taking photos.
You want me to this?
You're literally in the middle. Look, we're literally taking pictures of each other. And
what you want me to do? You want me to not?
hurry up.
And then just
Yeah,
throw it back in?
knowing you, yeah. Exactly what you're doing.
You know what? Right, Mom?
I didn't even see that.
I can do it.
He's giving you something.
You want me to go?
Mom, what does this say?
Merry Christmas. Ano yun? Bakit ganyan?
How do you say this?
Merry Christmas.
No? What does it say?
Crease.
It's not yours.
Oh, it's one of those
Job site.
construction worker lunchbox.
These stickers on there now.
Oh, yes. Nika. Nika.
Right? Keep going. So now.
Alright, excuse me? No, you only have $2 left, so you only have $2.
Get it.
Why is it so sticky?
Kasi nag-start siya sa harap.
Oh, she started here. Oh, look, the bubble. Like raised. Oh, look, it's growing.
Yan. Enjoy na enjoy.
I could eat this whole thing by myself.
Wag, walang may iwan sa amin.